Okay, let's do a trade recap for yesterday. I took no trades, but I'll show you guys why. So we have the US shutdown, so we only got the PMI data today, but there was also heaps of other data that was meant to come out. So because of that, obviously the market was moving pretty slow. And this is what the 4 hour looks like, but I'm going to go to the 1 hour because it's a bit clearer. So the day before yesterday, we had this big bearish movement, which made a lower high and it broke out of this support. What I wanted to see throughout the day is I wanted to see price either get above this high, make new all-time highs, or break this low. I woke up to see that price had made this small recovery from this big bearish movement, and I wanted to see, is it going to make a lower low or is it going to make a higher high? But I would, for me, call this internal structure because it hasn't broken above or below this level. And if you look at the wicks on this movement, the actual candle closes were forming a lower low. I still count the wicks as a movement, but it's just also interesting to see from my analysis that they're wicks and not candle closes, and the candle closes are making a lower low. I mean a lower high. But again, I based my analysis off of the wicks as well, not just the candle closes, but I just think that's interesting for my personal reading so that I can understand what's going on. Okay, we're going to the 15-minute. You can see price is very choppy here and then made this big move, and it's been slowly recovering. It was a little bit choppy during London Open and then a little bit choppy towards New York close. It made this big move at the start of New York, but there just wasn't an entry for me because I had wanted to see, is price going to be bullish or is it going to be bearish? And this just didn't really tell me if it was going to be bullish or bearish. It just kind of traded within the range. I don't particularly think we need the 5-minute, but this is the 5-minute if you're curious. Obviously, we could have caught every individual up and down here if we wanted to. Like, could have traded up, could have traded down, could have traded up. But it's just not my strategy. But yeah, of course I can see that price is going bullish here. Also, look at the seller volume on this candle here. This is where I looked at the charts and I was like, oh, today's probably not going to be a good day to trade because it's trending bullish and it had this big bearish bit of volume. And, I thought, maybe price would go and make lower lows and break below this low, but it just didn't go anywhere. But yeah, that's why I took no trades today. Let me know how your Friday went.